everybody, it's TR from T-Man Performance. I wanted to give you some insight on a couple of the builds that we're doing right now. We've got two 139s going for M8s. These are both 2019 M8s that our customers have allowed us to do a 139 for them. Now the 139 is the 4 5/8 stroke flywheel assembly with the 4-inch 375 bore. But what we wanted to do is to kind of show you the steps that we go through on these bikes to get them to be a nice quality piece that will last our customers for our longevity. So the first thing we do is after we disassemble the motor, after we remove the motor, it goes over into the machine shop, disassembled and everything of that nature for all the casework. These are getting the bottom end surfaces and everything from the ground up. But the first thing we do with the chassis is we pressure wash the chassis to make sure that we're working with a clean product. Then we'll come in and we'll remove the oil pan, and then we'll start our drilling of the oil pan for our external head breathers and also for our oil tank vent line kit. This is all done while the oil tank is off, the oil pan is off, so therefore we clean air, because we always remove the oil pans to clean out any debris that might have been in there from the last motor. After that's all taken care of, then we'll come in and we'll start, these two particular bikes are getting our billet swing arm with the chain conversion. So then we come in, install our swing arm and our chain conversion kit. Now in the next video, this particular bike here is getting the R&D back cut transmission. So we'll show you some of the features of that and the assembly of that. And then also this one here has already received the grudge box. So these are both bikes that are going to be, we feel, very nice pieces, but I wanted to kind of show you what goes into these builds and why it does take the time that it does, and show you some of the ins and outs and the things that we do that we feel are different from some of the other companies. So thank you very much.